Hi, I'm Graham and welcome back to Wobbly Cog's Workshop. It's the start of a new year and I thought it was high time I got back to making videos. In 2018 I didn't make as many videos as I would have liked, and 2 of those were done at the request of one of my viewers. I've already done 1 this year, so odds are good that I can do better. So you're probably wondering why I disappeared, and to be honest there's no good single reason. Partly it's because I've got a young family and I enjoy spending time with them and taking them places. Partly it's because I discovered running, which felt like it totally consumed my life for the first 8 or 9 months of the year. And partly it's because I've received some bad news. Overall, 2018 was a year of extremes for me, and I'm hoping that 2019 will have fewer bad surprises and that life will let me get on with building things and generally having fun. With that in mind, here's what I'd like to try and get done this year. For starters, I need to get the sash windows I've been building finished. The workshop's nearly 2 years old now, so I've really been slack on that front. I filmed most of the process already, and I hope to put together a series of videos on it, but don't expect that until at least the summer, as I've got tons of other footage that needs editing. Once the windows are finished, I have a set of doors to make. That's a project that will take me out of my comfort zone, I think, as I've not really made anything that large before. Following that, the plan starts to get a bit hazy. I've got another bathroom to fit, and I must get my son's bedroom finished this year, so that will take up quite a lot of workshop time. If I get time, I'd like to start building my own bandsaw. As I'm sure you know, there's a couple of popular designs on YouTube already, but I'll probably design my own from scratch. I'm just difficult like that. For Christmas, my wife bought me a penturning mandrel and various other penturning bits and pieces, so I've been back at the lathe for the first time in years. I found penturning to be surprisingly enjoyable, and if I do say so myself, the results are pretty good. I'm in the process of setting up an Etsy shop, and I'm hoping to sell a few pens through it to help fund the workshop a little. Outside the workshop, I'm going to get back to the running, and my aim for this year is to run 1,000 kilometres, which I think is pretty good considering 2 years ago I couldn't run the length of a football pitch. I also want to get on and learn about electronics. I bought the book Practical Electronics for Inventors about 18 months ago, and I've had 2 or 3 stabs at reading it since then. It would be nice to actually finish it. If that's not enough, I want to properly get on with some metalwork. I have the parts for a CNC machine being slowly but surely manufactured for me by a friend. With any luck, they'll turn up early this year. I'd like to get a metal lathe and perhaps a small milling machine as well, but until I can get a few other projects out of the way, I don't think I can really justify those. So I think that's about it for my workshop plans. Considering what I got done last year, if I achieve half of those goals, I'll be happy. I want to try and get a video out every other week if I can and build a bit of a community, so let me know what you'd like to see in 2019. Anyway, I know it's a little bit late, but all the best for 2019. Bye till next time.